Aming astrologers ang excited dahil dito at alam mo ba na ang susunod na 7 years ng mundo ay pwedeng magbago ng paraan ng pag-iisip natin, paraan ng communication, social media, economy at kahit sa relationships. Dahil ang Uranus in Gemini ay hindi simpleng transits lang. Ito ay collective nervous system, activation, at kapag sinabayan pa ito ng conjunction, trines, sextiles at hard aspects kay Saturn, Neptune at Pluto, possible mag-shift ang buong direction ng mundo. Sa astrology, si Uranus ang ruler ng awakening, disruption, rebellion, technology, innovation, habang si Gemini naman ay communication, internet, media, transportation, information exchange, nervous system. So kapag si Uranus pumasok sa Gemini, information itself becomes unstable, fast, revolutionary, at historically. Noong previous Uranus in Gemini periods, napansin ng mga astrologers ang communication revolutions, transportation changes, mabilis na technological progress, shape sa collective thinking. Pero ngayon, mas intense dahil nasa digital age tayo. Ito ang hindi masyadong pinag-uusapan online, hindi lang sign placement ang importante. Aspects matter. Kapag si Uranus gumawa ng conjunction, explosive awakening, sudden beginnings, shocking news, collective shapes. Kapag nag-trine naman, innovative flows easier, mabilis mag-adapt sa technology, easier global connection. Kapag sextile naman, opportunities, collaboration, digital expansion, breakthrough sa communication. Kapag nag-square opposition, ito ang medyo challenging, possible internet instability, misinformation, anxiety, mental overload, communication conflicts, at dahil si Gemini rules speech, media, information, magiging major theme ang what is real versus what is manipulated. Sa Pilipinas, malaki ang magiging epekto nito sa content creation, online businesses, freelancing, digital communication. Possible trends dito, mas maraming AI creators, virtual assistants, faceless content, voice-over content explosion, at mapapansin mo, mas mabilis sumikat ang tao online, pero mas mabilis din mawala ng attention ang mga audience. Possible ding lumakas ang online selling, remote work, digital entrepreneurship, international online income, at dahil Gemini rules transportation, possible themes natin, modernization ng transport systems, smarter navigation technology, digital commuting systems, mas advanced online delivery systems, pero shadow side, information overload, scams online, fake identities, deep fake technology. Sa Amerika, possible mas lumakas ang AI development, tech competition, digital economy shifts, social media influence, possible ding mabilis na pagbabago sa media landscape, communication platforms, online education system, at dahil Uranus-like disruption, possible major breakthroughs sa transportation, aerospace technology, communication system, pero possible din mabilis na public opinion shifts, polarization online, fast-changing narrative. Sa Euro, possible focus, digital regulations, AI ethics, communication infrastructure, sustainability technology, possible ding stronger online integration, smarter transportation, multilingual AI communication, Gemini energy likes exchange. So possible, stronger international collaboration, cross-border digital business growth. Sa UAE, possible mas lumakas ang futuristic city development, AI-powered systems, luxury technology, digital tourism, possible ding expansion ng smart city concepts, advanced transportation systems, innovations hub. At dahil Uranus likes the future, countries na mabilis mag-adapt sa technology ang pinaka magbe-benefit. Ito ang pinaka underrated effect dahil Gemini rules the nervous system, so possible collective themes is overthinking, mental fatigue, fast attention span, digital addiction, pero positive side nito, people become more curious, mas mabilis matuto, mas open-minded. This is the era of fast thinkers, adaptable minds, digital intelligence. So ngayon, naintindihan mo na kung bakit maraming astrologers ang nakatutok sa transits na to dahil hindi ito simpleng trend. Ito ay future timeline shift. At sa Uranus in Gemini era, information will move faster than ever, pero tandaan mo, hindi lahat ng mabilis ay tama. At sa panahon ng puno ng ingay, discernment ang magiging tunay na superpower. At kung gusto mo ng mas advanced astrology breakdown, like anong house mo ito tatamaan, anong aspects ang active sa chart mo, at paano mo ito magagamit sa advantage mo, PM for chart decoding or follow mo lang ako.